Alright, this one's gonna be on the GoPro. Hopefully it's picking up the sound. I know the phone wasn't picking it up the best either, but we're just gonna do a quick video right now because we gotta open up Loki's illustrations box that he sent us. Now I got different stuff over here. I'm not opening these. These are just something I'm hanging on to just so he can see them. And then we got Boa out because the box that we're opening has promotional art cards and then a couple packs. So here we are, and that's what we're gonna be getting into. Before we start that though, I know we left off there were a few packs left of our OP, what is that, OP06 I think, and Nikki managed to pull this guy, this Secret Zorro. Again, I'm doing on the GoPro, so I can't really see what it's seeing, but hopefully you guys could see that. Super dope card. Hang out with Boa. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. Oh no, I'm gonna need a knife. Bear with me, bear with me. I'm slicing it. I'm slicing it. All right, here it comes. So we'll get these promotional cards up. They're already in some packaging. I don't really need to take them out right now. She's got some windmill swirls on her card. I don't know if you can see that. And again, I don't have the greatest lighting, but she's got little pinwheel things. Good old Nami card. And then, of course, our girl Boa here. She's got some texture on the background as well, kind of just like an X pattern. Nothing special. Pretty nice art though. Alright, now we have 2 packs of the Wings of the Captain that we were opening, and then I believe 2 Legends is, yeah, OP08, so OP08. So we'll do those rips real quick. Did you want to do 2? Alright, so I'm gonna start. We've done these, so we'll start right here. I'll do the same thing. I don't know the chase cards. I'm gonna assume with Rayleigh on it. I think this is the one that has a manga Rayleigh. And then of course we'll get the SR, probably alternate art Rayleigh, and looks like Whitebeard as well. Alright, that already sees some red, so it looks like this is a leader. So this will be the first leader for OP08 for us. Charlotte Prospero, Candyman, Charlotte Angel, Guernica, CP0. Oh, is that guy's name? Buckin. Ulti, that's... I don't really like Ulti, but that's actually a cute Ulti card. I like that art. Count Niwatori. Baron Tamago and Count Niwatori. That looks like... I think that's his evolved form. What? Charlotte Katakuri is like a kid. Again, just an uncommon, but that's a really cool card. Munch Munch. Okay, King is a leader. That's dope. King looks sick. Again, he's not super shiny or anything, but that's a super dope leader card. He's gonna get put away. Wapple has a rare. And then let's go slow. 4 Emperors. 4 Emperors, Animal Kingdom Pirates, Big Mom Pirates. It's an event. Conquest of the Sea. I was actually expecting that to be somebody else. But yeah, those are good pulls. I like that that leader card. Get him sleeved up real quick. Come on, baby. Okay, He's gonna hang out right there. Wapple and the event can hang out over here on the side, and then we'll just keep going with the two legends. OP08. Second pack. Let's see if we can get some good. Oh, we got a Dawn card and another leader then. Dang, 2 different packs as leader packs in this special bundle from Loki. Appreciate it, bro. Biscuit Warrior, that's actually cool. It's just one of the warriors. Viscount Hyoko. So now we have all 3 versions of this guy. They got the other 2 in there. That's interesting. Shishilian. Dang, Sweet Pea. Get a load of those. Oh, damn. Burn Bazooka. That's actually a pretty cool event card. Onion Bear. Oh, that's a nice one of Cat Viper. Jinbei in that funky art again. Carrot! Yay! That's our leader card. Yup. She's just a green, so we'll get her sleeved up. Shakiyaku. I feel like we have a card of her. Egghead Seraphim. S-Hawk. Oh, that's cool. Oh, dang. That's the Dawn card. That's actually pretty cool. Dang, we got some pretty good ones off of that. That S-Hawk's actually really dope. So is this Dawn card. Too many things to sleeve up. So little time to sleeve. And yes, I do like sleeving up all of my leaders. I know they're not like the most special thing, but if I don't have someone, I try to sleeve them up. We're getting there. We're getting there. One more. All right, and then we can move on to 2 more packs for Wings of the Captain. Again, we got that nice hit the other night with our Secret Zoro over here, but that doesn't end the chase. There's still a manga Zoro out there. Could he be in one of these 2 packs? Ooh, I'm feeling it. Feeling it. So far, the box has been filled with nothing but joy. Alright, it's not a leader, so high chance for something good. I'm just going a little quicker because we were opening these ones. Again, Dendril's super dope. That's a dope event. Then Smoke Ishiji. I think we got a couple of him now. Let's do this slow. Oh, it's not a full art. It did look like a full art. It's an SR. Oh, dang, we don't have... Oh, that's an alternate art, though. Oh, shit, I didn't realize that. Vinsmoke Judge. Damn. That's a pretty cool card.